Today, genetic engineering has improved and developed into a completely new field of sciences. There are many types of genetic engineering, but more recently, there has been a breakthrough with genetic engineering that will change the world. We are now living in the new age of CRISPR. Since its discovery in 1993, CRISPR has shook the world. Viruses and bacteria have been at war since the beginning of life. Bacteriophages hunt bacteria by inserting their own genetic code into it, using the bacteria as a host. Though bacteria try to resist, they fail most of the time because their protection tools are just too weak. But occasionally, bacteria survive the attack, thus activating their own antivirus system. Cas9 is a protein that checks for signs of invasion, and when it becomes activated, it cuts out the virus DNA, protecting the bacteria. And while Cas9 edits DNA, Cas13a can also be associated with CRISPR because it focuses on editing RNA. When scientists found out that a CRISPR system can be easily modified, the CRISPR revolution began. With the CRISPR revolution, gene editing has become easier and faster to practice. But even with all the good that CRISPR brings, why is it so controversial? The main issue is that if a CRISPR system does not function as intended, a non-intended gene will be edited. This could result in intergenerational impacts. Since it has improved gene editing, this would allow it to be accessed and conducted by non-professional individuals. Gene editing itself is already a controversial issue. Therefore, by adding untrained people to the mix, will only raise more controversy. Disease and illnesses are issues that continue to negatively impact our world, but CRISPR can change that. In China, clinical trials have been run to monitor the impact of CRISPR on cancer patients. Currently, at least 86 people with different cancers have been treated. CRISPR research has also delved into other diseases such as HIV, cystic fibrosis, genetic blindness, and many more. But even with CRISPR's potential on creating life-saving cures, many are still against the idea. Therefore, due to these perspectives, the potential of CRISPR has yet to be further discovered.